You like one of them perfect ramen eggs. Go ahead and get your bite. You got it? My turn again. So I had to go and research the actual song to see what it sound like. Child. Who child? Her lyrics. Had me clutching my crystals a little bit. Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at you. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How's everyone doing today? Good to help y'all. Welcome to day one of Ramen Week, a ramen collaboration with my sissy T from Teen Lee TV, because it's a place to be. So once you're finished watching this video, please be sure to scroll over to her channel and see what she's having for day one of Ramen Week. Yeah, can y'all believe I'm about to do a week of ramen? Like, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're about to see. I weighed myself in the beginning to see how much I weigh, and I'm going to see how much I'm going to weigh at the end. I am going to try to keep these videos as balanced as I can so it doesn't throw me off, y'all. But I'm kind of excited. It's going to be like simpler videos and creative videos. See how creative I can get with my ramen, y'all. Today, we're going to be grubbing on some hot and spicy ramen. It's a hot and spicy bowl ramen. We're going to be having some spinach, some leftover shrimp I had, and a leftover boiled egg. Also, we're going to be spicing it up with our lava sauce, y'all. If you want to purchase your lava sauce, check the description box for the link. Click on that link and purchase yours today. We have lava medium, lava spicy, gala merb, and gala merb kick, y'all. To drink, we have some H.O. as always. Stay hydrated. All right, y'all, without further ado, let's go ahead and give thanks, get to pouring, and get to grabbing. Okay, so let's pull this back a little bit more. The loop. We could take him down for a second. We'll pull him back up because he's kind of cute. All right. Let's get this stirred up and poured. It's going to cook the spinach when I pour it on there. Pour some ramen on me. Let's put that over there. What else cooking? The spinach. A quick announcement, y'all. Actually, a couple of announcements. In this video, I need for you to drop your January birthdays for the January birthday shout out video, y'all. Drop it in this video, the comments of this video alone. Also, later on in our ramen week, me and T, we're going to be doing a sisters Q&A. Please be sure to drop your questions for our sister Q&A as well, y'all. We are real sisters, not just, hey, sis. No, we're real sister, blood sisters, y'all. So drop your questions for that. Oh! I put this on with mighty strength. Oh, my goodness. This is gonna be good. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, that looks good. Muy delicioso. Yum, 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 yum. I gotta get up. I don't know why I just didn't get up to begin with, y'all. Lava ramen for you, lava ramen. Get your bite. You got it? My turn. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Baby. Baby, baby, baby. Mm. Mm. Can you tell I'm not used to peeling shrimp the normal way? I'm used to putting my teeth in there. I'm gonna dip that in there like that. Oh. Like that, like that. Mm-mm. Gonna crack this egg open. Let's see what you got. You like one of them perfect ramen eggs. Bloop. He was cold. He was in the refrigerator. Get your bite. Mm. Go ahead and get your bite. You got it? My turn again. Oh my God. Wow. Mm. Definitely bomb. Mm. Mm. Lemony, garlicky, spicy goodness. You hear me? Mm. You know, it's a song in my head. But how rude me? How's everyone doing today? What are you eating on? What are you drinking on? What is sipping on? How was your day? Happy Monday, y'all. Hope that you had an amazing weekend. All these videos are going to be current. Yeah, we putting ourselves to the test. Like, you know what I mean? Every day. Like Yummy Bite say, everyday videos. Everyday videos. Every day. These boiled eggs, that booger be slippery. Like, I wonder if I was dirty dipping earlier. I hope not. I'll put this back some more. So good. I was checking my TikTok stats this morning. I'm put a little bit in there. And y'all always got like stuff that be trending, and it comes up on my feed. Ooh, skip kiss burp. Comes up on my feed, and right now, dang it, what's that lady's name? I can hear her voice in my head. Chocolate Girl Eats. Hey boo. She I didn't turn my phone on do not disturb. She did a impression for Halloween. God, what's her name? Sexy Red. Sexy Red, y'all. So that song by Sexy Red, bend that over, let that. There was this little what you call it? What do you call it? When they're doing like an imitation kind of, but all these people are doing like if you were in church alone or something like that, or without the pastor, and the lady who's actually singing sound like she's singing in a choir who's doing like the imitation. And so I was like, oh, I think I'm gonna say this sound and try to do something with it. So I had to go and research the actual song to see what it sound like. Yeah, I should put this phone on do not disturb to see what it sound like. Child. Who child? Her lyrics. Had me cluster my crystals a little bit. I don't have any pearls, my crystals a little bit. But if you really think about it, back in my days. I don't like when stuff be popping up on my screen. Or distracting. Back in my days, we had Trina. So, you know. You know, I can't really talk much. I'll throw some spinach on top of that. Yes, I ate that from my thighs. And my thighs. Time to come in my head. Another couple other people like from my thighs. But yeah, in our days we had Trina. Don't forget to fuck on. Let's get into Traveling King shout outs. I'm starting Traveling King shout outs here. And give it up for our Tribe Insiders. I'm going to start the Tribe Insider shout outs here. Thank you so much for being part of the tribe. Insiders. I got spinach. Hold on. Over here looking like Jim Carrey. Thank you. Thanks so much for being part of the tribe. Inside is you're greatly appreciated. Thank you. And you. Thank y'all. You know I can't be sitting here and spinach in my teeth. How much I be smiling, child? We can't do that. Anyway, let's get my nose running. We had Trina in our days, so you know I really can't talk much. I told Nene the other day. I said, "Oh my God, I have arrived." And she said, "Arrived where?" To Old Lady Bill. You know, when you're younger, you always like wonder what it'd be like to be the age you are now, or a lot of us do. And I told her, like, I always wondered, like, what it'd be like. And I'm here. I have arrived. I don't feel like I don't feel like I'm 42. What is 42 supposed to feel like though? I don't feel like it. I just feel like me. Cause you know people like, how does it feel to be, you know, you're older or whatever. I'm like, it's a blessing. It is a blessing, but I just feel like me. Oh. So we're probably gonna do, as a plane, we're probably gonna do ramen week, not ramen week. We're probably gonna do the ramen week's Q&A, sister Q&A on the third day. I think that's what we're planning. She's gonna be doing much better with her chopsticks, y'all. Go over there and tell me what she's eating. We have no clue what we were discussing. Or what ramen we're eating either. I'm excited to see. Then I'll see the ramen queen. I think I'm done here. Some little bits in here. Oh, that was good. Really good. My bun, I always lean to the side. I look like a cricket cone head. Whew. Depends on my teeth. All right, guys, so come to the end of our program. Thank you for joining me on day numero uno of Ramen Week collaboration with my sister T from Teen Lee TV, because this place should be, it might be other people. Let me just say Teen Lee TV with Teen Lee TV, y'all. Please be sure to check out their Ramen Week day number 1. I can't talk. Please be sure to check out their Ramen Week day number 1. See what they're munching on, see what they're chatting about, and join us back tomorrow for day number 2. Once again, please remember to drop your sisters Q&A questions in this video. In this video, y'all, drop your questions for us. If we're going to do a day number 3, it's like 3 or 4, we're going to do it on there. Also, please be sure to drop your January birthdays for my January birthday shout out. Drop it in the comments below as well. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please should hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe, become part of the tribe, D3 tribe. And thank you to everyone who already has. Turn on post notifications to notify of any and every video that we release. Turn them on to all. Oh, should be burp. Comment below and let us know that you're there. Share, because sharing is caring. Please give this video a big old like or or a dislike it was your cup of tea, and stay tuned for more. And please be sure to check the description box for all the social media handles, the link to order your lava sauce, y'all. We are active on Facebook, we're active on TikTok, and we're active on Instagram, y'all. Follow us on all those social media platforms to get us up there. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. This is. See you tomorrow. Happy Monday. Diversity. Miss Diversity.